2019 Ford Ranger, we have the UnderCover Armor Flex premium low profile aluminum hard folding cover. This cover matches most truck bed caps really well, has that high-end factory appearance. We have that very low profile section on the back. When your tailgate's locked, it's secure. If you can lower your tailgate, you're able to open the cover. This rail system is all clamped onto the bed, so there's no drilling required. You just go out to your truck, you pull this cable here to open it. That's what unlocks it from the rail system. So either side, you're able to pull that and fold it up. You pull it, you fold it up. If you want to drive down the road right here, you can have that ability. You just buckle it here. Now you're going highway speed safe with the cover locked in this position. That's why people like the hard folding covers, because they give you access to your bed really quick. And when the day comes and you want that full bed all the way, you can flip it up to the back. You then have these rods underneath the side that prop up the cover. So now you're driving down the road with it open. So you just hook that into there. Now you're going down the road, cover's open, highway speed safe. We have this rail system that's clamped onto the side of the bed, so there's no drilling required. It has the weather sealing on the rail system. It has the drain tube going out the back corner and the turn knob underneath on both sides, which will remove the whole cover if you need to take it off. They've also updated this Armor Flex with the new prop rod. So you just push it down and then you lift it up. So they've updated that. And then each time you fold this, it locks on that rail system. So you're gonna have that cover secure. Each time you fold it, it's gonna lock. It has that integrated seal on the back. So you can shut the cover and then close the tailgate. And then people really like this new Armor Flex finish. It has that special Line-X coated top. So it's gonna give you the most dent resistant, scuff resistant cover. And it matches all trucks really well. So if you're in the market for a hard folding cover, check out that UnderCover Armor Flex on this 2019 Ford Ranger.